यहाँ पे दिया मैम इस तरफ से
राइट से स्टार्ट
Thank you.
दिया मैम एक दिया मैम इस तरफ से मैम दिया मैम
You want us to say? Yes.
आप लोग थोड़ा सीधा
I am really proud to be here for the book launch of Humans of Bombay. I don't agree with the title though, because I don't think anybody in this book is ordinary. These are all amazing, remarkable human beings that have shared their stories of love and compassion and strength and perseverance and just life. And I'm so proud of Karishma. I think I can say that because she's like a full decade younger than me. That at only 21, at just 21, she started talking to people and becoming interested in their lives and sharing and celebrating their humanity. And not only sharing their humanity, she also started helping making a difference. Something that I was really touched by Karishma was the fact that you gave 23 lakhs that the community of Humans of Bombay put together literally overnight to a person who had been falsely accused in a bomb blast case and had spent 23 years in jail. And it's stories like this that this book is filled with, and it's a real honor and privilege.
It's my privilege.
And I'm
Thank
so
you so
proud of you.
So sweet.
May you
Thank
keep sharing stories and keep making the difference that you do. And all the best to you and the entire team of Humans of Bombay.
Thank you. That's so sweet. And just want to say that we could not think of a better person to launch our book. Like we were just like, you're so aligned, you're so passionate, you're self-made, and now you're a mother, and you're juggling all these roles so beautifully. Thank you so much for doing this.
It's my honor.
Well,
My pleasure.
this book is all about, ordinary.
I was reading the manuscript when it was sent to me. It reminded me of a very powerful exercise that we were taught in acting workshop. And it's an exercise that helps you break false walls of ego. It helps you connect with your team members or your fellow cast, whoever it is. But most importantly, I think it just helps you discover that we're all human. And it's an exercise called the circle, where you sit together and you share each other's life story from the day you were born up until this point. You want to go back to your previous generations also, you can. It's a very powerful exercise because many times हम किसी को देखते हैं और उनको देखकर डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि वो कैसा इंसान होगा. जब हम किसी से बात करने लगते हैं हमको तब असलियत पता चलती है. I think that's what this, whether it's the Instagram page or it's this book or it's just the effort to speak to a stranger. I mean, what Karishma did at 21 was what? Talk to strangers. हालांकि हमें बचपन से ये कहा जाता है कि अनजान लोगों से बात मत करो. But what you realize when you speak with strangers is that we're all the same. And the only thing that separates one person from another is their own unique story. So, just as powerful as that exercise, I think, I thought that would be a interesting personal thing to share with all of you. It changed the game for us on every film set, on every work experience that I had. I remember Barry John teaching us this. And it really brought us close as a community, as friends, as colleagues.
So, we all know that how fond you are of reading books, but what is that specific?
Fiction, but I prefer non-fiction. I'm very inspired by true stories. I'm very inspired by human stories. And that's why I think this would be on my top must-read
Sweet.
books.
Thank you.
Yeah,
That's
sure.
so sweet.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
जैसे कि आपने एक स्टोरी के बारे में
Last
बात की,
question.
23 जो years जेल में रहना, तो कहीं ना कहीं जो आम आदमी है गलत तरीके से फंस जाना और उसके पूरे years पूरे लाइफ खराब हो जाते हैं. आज आर्यन खान का भी बेल ऑर्डर
Sorry, sorry, sorry. We're not
उसमें भी
answering.
गलत
नहीं,
तरीके से
come,
बोला गया
please.
व्हाट्सएप चैट जो गलत निकले हैं मतलब
We're
कंस्पिरेसी
not
नहीं था और
answering this.
गलत
We're not
तरीके से
answering
फंसाया
this.
गया।
Sorry, sorry, sorry.
I think the Bombay High Court has made the
Yeah.
comment.
Hi, thank you all for coming. My name is Karishma. I'm the founder of Humans of Bombay. Humans of Bombay is my baby. I started it when I was 21. And today we have our book launch, जिसका नाम Ordinary Stories, Extraordinary People है. These are stories of people across India, from Kashmir to Chennai, to Delhi, to Bombay, to Pondicherry, to Bengal, all across India. And it's a beautiful photo book with lots of photos, compelling stories and narratives. And yeah, I hope you really, really enjoy it.
So Karishma, ordinary people and extraordinary, stories. Like why, when, and how did you get that idea?
So actually we were brainstorming with HarperCollins, that's our publisher, and we were thinking कि नाम क्या रखे book का, क्योंकि I have one book already. It's called Humans of Bombay, तो वो नाम was out of question. So for this we thought that what is the essence. So we were thinking and brainstorming, when we've interviewed from a chai wala to a mehndi artist, they're all ordinary, but उनकी कहानियाँ extraordinary होती है. So that's, as we were talking, the name just clicked, and yeah, we went
So
from
in
there.
Humans of Bombay, we came to know that you are picking up stories like normal people, auto rickshaws, chai wala, as
Yeah.
you said. So we will see the same thing in this book launch also.
No, so it's all across. It's all kinds of stories. So हमारे book में रतन टाटा से लेके रोहन जोशी comedian है. There is a chai wala. There is a gatekeeper at Jaisalmer Kuldhara. So you'll find something for everybody. ऐसा एक कोई theme नहीं है.
Okay, so
It's Mumbai now. Why you kept it Bombay? I think.
So actually, when I started it, I was 21, and I felt very connected to Bombay. So I think of an impulse, I named it Humans of Bombay, and then it just stuck, and we never changed it after that.
So how did you came with this extraordinary peoples? Like how did you started and how did this all list of names came up across you?
So when we started Humans of Bombay, it was inspired by Humans of New York. और मैंने India chapter चालू किया. It was just inspired from Humans of New York. And yeah, I think that as time went, वो जो that instinct कि Facebook page or Instagram page से किताब लिखनी है was pretty seamless. So we have one book already. It's called Humans of Bombay. This is our second book, and it's published by HarperCollins.
Right. So you have a huge following on your social media as well,
Yeah.
So like how much is this going to inspire your, because being on social media
Yeah.
platform, there are some kind of responsibilities. So how is this going to, like what kind of messages this going to give to your followers?
I think that at Humans of Bombay, we're now focusing on becoming a much larger company. We are a company. People often mistake us for an NGO or for, just a page, but we aren't just a page. आज आप देखेंगे, so from Pedder Road to JJ to Chembur, there are billboards of Humans of Bombay across Bombay. We're going to have installations at the airport. We're doing an 8-city tour in India. And yeah, I think the message is that we're becoming bigger and better.
So Karishma, you are a writer, you are an entrepreneur, you are a TEDx presenter also and a photographer also. So which one do you like the most to play and to work with?
Writer.
Writer?
Yeah, I've always been a writer.
Okay, as you said writer,
Yeah.
which is your favorite book?
So I have a bunch. I mean, if I have to pick, the first thing that came to my mind was Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling, because it inspired me to become a writer, and I started reading from there. But I can't pick one book, but I love Chitra Banerjee. I love all her books. I enjoy Ruskin Bond. I can't pick one book, but
But any special recommendation that inspired you a lot that I should be a writer like that?
J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter. Yeah, I didn't know J.K. Rowling was a female until I 2-3 years passed, and then I realized, oh my God, she's a woman author, and women can be authors. So then I was very inspired by J.K.
So
Rowling.
Karishma, you relate to like more common people, more normal people. So is that any story behind that you don't go like what cliche type and you don't go with the high living society? You keep calm, you keep low key. Is that any story behind that?
No, nothing. Actually, this is the essence of what we do. Or full credit to the team. I don't go anymore to interview. We have a very talented set of writers and photographers who make this happen. I'm just now behind the scenes, so all credit to my team too.
Okay, Karishma, there was a story like when you are photographing on near Taj Hotel, some people caught you and like this is not allowed here and
Yeah.
something. Would you like to tell that?
Sure, yeah. So I think it was when we just started 1 year, and there was a henna artist. So we were like, we started interviewing her, and then my photographer tapped me from the back, and I just looked up, and 100 people waiting, just seeing, because he thought it was some TV thing, but actually we were just having a conversation with one camera. And then the cop came and said that this is not allowed and jail jana padega and all of that. And I was like, no, I was 22, so it was an experience. Yeah.
Like any experience you would like to share being a writer, entrepreneur, TEDx presenter?
I think every day has been such a learning experience for me. Everything, even this event, we've just kind of like put together with so much hard work. Please, like, do take the team also. There's Unnati, there's Amit, there's Kashish here. There are a lot more, but these are the guys who pulled it off, and I think that hard work goes a long way. We have a very, very hard-working team.
When you're talking about ordinary people, you must have come across lots of people where you may be having lots of issues also. Like,
Yeah.
there are lots of issues in Mumbai, maybe education, empowerment, and lots of other things. So, which is something which is very close to your heart, and you would really like to work on that particular thing.
So personally, I take up women and children causes. That's what I feel most.
You have to just put your chair in the center.
Oh, sorry. So we do a lot of crowdfunding. In the past 5 years, we've crowdfunded upwards of 15 crores for various various individuals. But we look for women and children cases. So we funded the education of the daughter of a sex worker to send her to a college abroad. We've funded acid attack victims. We funded schooling. We funded education. Even during COVID, we actually raised 2 crores for Hemkund Foundation. And so I think that giving back is very, very important to us, and this crowdfunding is the way that we see best to do it.
What is the bucket list actually? I lots of things, but then kya hai?
In terms of
your work only.
like, where do I want to be?
Yeah.
I think that it's a very open-ended question, but definitely we're looking at becoming more of a media house, a 360-degree media house. We already write content for our partners. We know everything content, so just kind of building on that. We want to get into films. We want to get into OTT. Hopefully every year we publish a book. And we also are thinking of ways to give back more. So that vertical is definitely built up.
Any plan with Dia, like, she's coming away?
No, she's just so aligned with whatever we do. She's for the environment. She's a mother now recently. She's self-made. She's an entrepreneur producer. So I don't think there was a better person to kind
And
of.
as you said that this is a second book, and is there any more extraordinary stories so that you can come up with a third one also?
We have a bank of 6,000 stories. I can print a new book tomorrow. Just a matter of putting it together. But yeah, it's ongoing for sure.
Karishma, talking about one story which has moved you and which has moved Bombay, what do you think? Which one is it?
So there was a story of Mr. Ali Bhatt. He was a man from Kashmir who was wrongfully imprisoned for 23 years. He was put in jail for 23 years for a crime he did not commit. And randomly after 23 years, he was released without a single rupee in compensation. So he spent his entire adult life, youth and adult life in jail for something that he didn't commit. For a crime he didn't commit, and he lost his parents while in jail. The love of his life got married to somebody. He lost everything to do with his life. So we told his story over 6 parts, not one part, because it was impossible to compress. And we raised 23 lakhs for the 23 years he spent in jail because he did not get compensated. And after that, his life turned around. He set up a business, and he also got married at the age of 49. I think that was the most special story for us, because it also proved to us that people want to give and people care. And when we broke the news to him that we've raised this money, he started crying and said, the world is not that bad. And I think that that's what we do. That we make people believe that the world is not that bad.
Change lives also.
Yeah.
So as you're saying, you raised money for the needy and people like that. So can we think you are going to open a next NGO?
I mean, something to do with giving back for sure. Yeah, for sure. Yes, definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.